I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my life goes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Bev's Crazy Life. On today's video, we're going to be doing another quick and easy meal. This meal today is going to be pork, rib tips, and collard greens. You are not going to want to miss this. Let's get started. So I'm going to start by chopping up an onion and a bell pepper. The onion and bell pepper add a nice flavor to the meat. And I also will use some of the onion to go inside the collard greens as well. So here I'm going to use some smoked turkey neck in the collard greens. You don't have to use any meat, but I prefer to use meats, especially smoked meats, in my collard greens, or even cabbage when I make cabbage. It just gives a nice flavor to the greens, but you don't have to use it at all. Now onto my meat. This is pork rib tip. I usually buy this when it's on sale. It's a great alternative to all of the other things that we normally eat on a daily basis, like chicken, ground beef, or steak. It's just a nice change of meat. This pack was had a lot more fat than I prefer. I order my groceries online, so someone else picked this pack for me, but I'm gonna do my best, and it's still gonna be good regardless. So now I'm gonna wash the meat, and the next thing you'll see is the meat seasoned. My camera cut off, so I did not get a chance to record me actually seasoning the meat, but I will definitely share everything that I season the meat with. So here I'm going to mix in my onion and bell pepper, and the seasoning pack that you're seeing me put in is beef bouillon. I use the Goya brand. It adds a really nice flavor to your meats. So now I'm going to add my water. I will fill it up just enough for the top of the meat, and then I'll cook it on the stove for about 45 minutes. I'll check it to see how thick the gravy is, and if it's not thick enough, then I'll add a little bit more flour. But if it's fine, then your meat is done. You don't need a lot of time to cook rib tips because they're very thin meats. So while the meat is simmering on the stove, I'm going to start with the greens. I added in the rest of the onion, and I'm going to try something new with my greens. I usually season my greens up myself, but I saw something interesting at the store. It is the Willie's Eat Your Greens season pack, and I'm just going to try it and see how it goes. I'll let you know if it's really good, but this is the first time I ever tried it. Leave me a comment down in the comment section if you ever tried this before and what you think about it. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for cooking with me. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you try any of these meals. I would like to know how it turned out for you. All right, see you next week. Have a great day, guys.